Nasdaq has become very bullish with a nice pump of more than 10%. Not only this, we are seeing a nice breakout of this bull flag. Why is this important? Let's start with the daily chart. So the first thing I would like to point out is that this was a drop and a retest of almost this area. Why this is important? Look at this crazy channel the price was in since 2022, and the market has confirmed this level of support, showing very nice bounce, trying to come back up outside of this upward channel, which is a very nice sign. Now if I zoom in, what we want to see is a nice consolidation or a small retest of this number, maybe 15,200 300 area, and then continuation towards the upside. Apart from this, of course, the price was in this bull flag and we see a very nice pump. If you have been following us for the past few months, you know that we were talking about this bull flag when the market was at this point. At that time, everyone was extremely bearish and people were like, recession is coming, market is going to 12,000, 11,000. But we told you that the bull flag will form and hopefully this will give us a breakout which will take out the tops over here at around 15,900, and it will hopefully continue to make new highs. So now that this is happening, we have to look for more indicators that help us confirm that yes, this is a nice retest and the market will continue higher. So for that, I want to show you a new pattern that is developing and I think no one is talking about. So this is a very nice pattern that is forming. Look at this, and if you follow technical analysis, you know that this whole thing is called a cup and handle pattern, and this is actually a bullish pattern. So we are trying to escape from this handle part over here, and this upward move can easily take us to new highs, which means that we will cross 16,700, 800. Now another thing to consider here is look at what is happening if I try to put up the fib levels, because these are also very important. Look at this 618 level sitting at 14,378, and we got a retest of this successful bounce. Now testing the 786 level sitting at 15,436. A further upward move is taking us to 16,783, which is the next fib level available. Apart from this, I want to show you another fib level that we can use, which is from the recent highs to the recent lows. Once again, almost tested the 618 level sitting at 13,843, trying to move up. Now this is very important. Look at this fib level of 1.272 sitting at 17,300. Hopefully if this pump continues, yes, we are looking towards 17,347. Now another smaller fib level that we can actually use is from this top to the recent low, and again look at the 1.272 level sitting at 16,400 and the 1.618, the next golden pocket sitting at 17,100. Now as you know, we always try to look towards the other side and try to identify possible retracements that can happen. So it is very much possible that some consolidation happens here and then market try to come up towards the 15,900 level, which will take us to this area, creating a nice double top. Let's quickly talk about the market structure also, because this is very important. So you can see over here we were creating lower highs continuously, and look at this, what has happened. We have created the first higher high. So this is a nice sign that the market is trying to break the current structure. Now if this is true that yes, market is trying to make these higher highs, there will be a higher low which might be somewhere in this region where the moving average is also sitting, and if that happens, we would be looking at this inverse head and shoulder pattern, which will actually be very nice. Not only this, a retest of this level would mean that we had a successful breakout, a nice retest, and market has confirmed that this is a breakout and will try to move upwards. So yes, some retest is very much possible. Now let's quickly jump over to the weekly chart and see what is happening. As you know, it is very important to keep an eye on the weekly, and this candle here was actually very nice. This is a very bullish candle. Then last week, okay, yes, bullish again, but the momentum is not that strong. So yes, quite possible that maybe a little bit more can happen, taking us here, and then some retracement takes place. Okay, now I want to show you another indicator that very rarely people talk about, which is this one. It is called S5FI. This is the number of stocks in the US stock market that are above the 50 moving average, and look at this range. I have always talked about below 20 is the area from where the market tries to bounce, and we are actually seeing this coming up towards the moving averages. Successful continuation towards the upside, which means we need to go above 75 points in this area of resistance, means that the market will continue its upward move. So yes, lot of indicators telling me that the market is trying to continue upwards. So once again, this whole scenario is a testament of what I have been saying multiple times, that don't follow the mainstream media narrative. Very clearly you would remember that August, September, so many people were bullish that they will keep on increasing the interest rates, there will be a recession, this and that. And over the past 3 to 6 months, I have been continuously talking about the market making new highs, simply because whenever there is a pause in interest rate for 6 to 12 months, the market always makes a new high. Hence, hopefully, we continue upwards. Of course, this will take time. It does not happen immediately, but hopefully next year, somewhere around April or May, we might see a nice top on the market. So talking about the mainstream narrative, let's quickly check the fear and greed index, and you can see we are at 54 points in the fear region when the market has pumped so much already. Hence, very good chance that we might continue upwards, try to go back into the greed section, and market will give us a new top. So do let us know, what do you think about this analysis? Do you think that the cup and handle pattern that I showed you and the bull flag, this is very bullish and it will take us to new highs, or you think that this is actually a fake out that is happening, and with the interest rate decision in December will cause the market to dump back down? Let us know your thoughts. Once again, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, hit the bell notification so you are notified whenever we upload a new video. Our previous analysis is on the screen, you might want to go and watch those. And a gentle reminder, as you can see how volatile the market is, if you are actively trading, please consider using proper risk management. Thank you for watching.